AI will not replace you, but a person that uses AI will. That statement is all over social media recently. And to be honest, I think it's kind of true. The arrival of large language models into the mainstream revealed more than any other time that software engineers should invest some time into developing their skill set. And I'm not only talking about learning how to use ChatGPT, but I'm also talking about machine learning, neural networks, agentic AI, or even advanced prompt engineering techniques. In the future, many apps and web services will integrate into their product some kind of communication with an LLM. And in the future, most developers will use copilots or coding assistants to help them achieve their tasks faster. In my opinion, learning about this is not only crucial to stay relevant on the market, but also to keep our productivity growing. A productivity that will be impacted negatively if we don't act now. Of course, this doesn't mean that you've got to be an expert at advanced deep learning techniques. This takes time. It just means that you've got to make the basics of AI be part of your basics in order to make a significant impact on the developer that you are. But how to get started? Said the courageous engineer. Don't worry, I've got you covered. But before we start off, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the notification bell, as it helps the channel tremendously. All good? Alright. Number 1. Start learning. First of all, it's very important that you follow some learning materials. Udemy, Pluralsight, WizLabs, all of them have great resources to start off your AI learning journey. For the absolute beginners, I can only recommend following the AWS AI Practitioner Certification course from Steven Marek. This one, even though being AWS focused, will also give a comprehensive overview of what it means to be a machine learning engineer. From data collection to sanitization to training the model and finally using the model, this course will give you also the keys to evaluate the quality of your model and mitigate the risks of hallucination and toxicity. It also gives some insightful tips of prompt engineering. There's also this course from FreeCodeCamp that I haven't taken yet, but that should follow the same curriculum. And once you're done with that course, you can also go ahead and take your chance on the AWS AI Practitioner Certification if you want. And if you want to get deeper, there are dozens more great learning resources online, and I'll let my colleague Boris talk about them in his video. Number 2. Work on a personal project. Whether you've got that cool and fun AI idea that you want to bring to the world, or you're just a courageous machine learner that wants to skill up, then you certainly want to build a side project. It's really useful because it will help you practice on the precise elements that you learned in your course. Without practice, there is no way that the skills you learned will stick. It will also confront yourself to the realities of the field, and you will gain a lot of knowledge in the trial and error cycle. If you've got no idea, why not build your own AI agent that recommends music or films according to your moods? Or maybe you want to try to analyze and predict the evolution of the Tesla stock you've currently invested in? If you do, you can go to Hugging Face to find open datasets ready for analysis. Alright, please take this advice, take an idea and turn it into an objective. Number 3. Make it part of your everyday. If you live in a vivid metropolis just like me, just open the Meetup app or the Lumo app. These apps offer a wide range of developer conferences. They also offer online events. There is nowadays literally more than one event per week in which you can network, learn new stuff, and see experts talk about AI, LLMs, and developer productivity. There are even some interactive ones, like prompt engineering meetups, in which you can create fun stories in good company with AI generation models. Another way to make it part of your everyday is to listen to podcasts. Podcasts are a marvelous way to infuse your brain into a world of AI knowledge, without even putting a single foot outside. Can you imagine? Number 4. Don't stick to a single LLM. If you use ChatGPT to help you with your daily tasks, then you are most likely to refer to that one exclusively. What a bummer! There's so many other great LLMs that offer similar, or even in some cases better performance than ChatGPT. Some of them are even integrated into a browser, like Copilot. And you can query almost anything you want about the web page you're currently visiting without even leaving your tab. That's amazing! Others are built with privacy in mind, like DuckAI, and some are tailored for a deep search of the web, like Perplexity, with a step-by-step reasoning on top of the search results. Some even praise Claude for its superior coding abilities, or Mistral for its commitment to open source and ethics. And finally, you can even install an LLM like DeepSeek or Meta's Llama on your computer in literally 2 clicks with Oyama. This is more private than anything else, and you can be sure that no data from those interactions will be sent over the internet, because everything stays in your computer.
Final thoughts.
Alright, let's be clear. These steps will not make you a machine learning engineer instantly. No one does. Instead, it will help you on your quest to make the AI basics be part of your basics. With them, you will have the keys to go deeper into the world of AI and ML, or even build your own side projects. If you want some links to the learning resources I recommended, you can find them in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Start learning, start learning, start learning. And if this video was any helpful, smash that like button for me, okay? Thank you. See you next time.